destructive emotion related with ignorance, no sound basis. The antidote, these destructive emotion, such as karuna, sense of compassion, sense of sort of caring other, these are sound basis. So that I think very important. Destructive emotion, very powerful, but no a proper basis, because it very much sort of related with ignorance, short-sighted, narrow-minded. Other hand, compassion, these things, wider perspective and sufficient reason. So, when we thinking these lines, then there is hope. On this planet, at the moment, anger, jealousy, fear, these dominant emotion. But these can reduce through use of intelligence. The positive emotion can further develop with modern education and modern science. So there's only hope